I just pulled out this one. McDonald's & Company Cobalt, but top's gone. I'm gonna still keep that, probably turn it into a glass or a light or something. This is some of the stuff we kind of pulled out already. These are all gonna be glass bottles, or glass cups I'm gonna turn into. We got a McDonald's, another McDonald's, written in, and Bikrin bottling, and then a aerated water. So run today, I'm gonna show you guys how to turn your broken bottles like this into cups like this. I've had a lot of people ask me how I do it. So today I'll show you what I do, because I do have an absolute stockpile of them that I've gathered through a bunch of different digs that I'm going to turn into cups, planters, vases, and all that kind of stuff. So this video will show you guys how I do it. So hopefully you guys enjoy. He also found this. I don't know if I showed it. I think I did. I'm not too sure. It has a chip lip on it, but it's from Regina aerated water company, Regina, Saskatchewan. So we got another Saskatchewan bottle out of here. Very cool, but there's a chip lip there, or lip chip. So probably gonna make that into a glass. See what we can do with it. So how I do it, I have a wet tile saw here with a ceramic blade on it that is used for cutting ceramic tiles, and I can use it for cutting glass as well. And I have my own makeshift kind of guide, or whatever you want to call it, here, so that my bottle, I can guide through it and have a straight cut, because the one that comes with this specific saw really is not the best, so I made my own. So I'll show you guys what it's like to cut it when you turn on the saw. Once you have the bottle cut, you'll have the two pieces. There's the one piece right there, and then here's the piece that you really want right here. As you can see, it is kind of edgy, and you wouldn't really want to touch it right now. So I'll show you what I do to flatten this out to make it even, and so it's not as jagged and sharp. So what I'll do now is I'll take a belt sander, and I'll take the bottle, and I'll run the ball just like this on the bottom of it to get it nice and flat through get rid of all the jagged edges. And this is kind of the MacGyver method, because I don't have a bunch of money to get a disc sander or something like that. So you just take a belt sander, turn it upside down, and there you go. Now if you look at the bottle, I'll take this piece here, see how that piece is all jagged and just absolutely terrible. You wouldn't want to be drinking out of that. Now we have a lovely flattened end right there, perfectly flat, nice and even, but you can still see how there is some jagged pieces there. So I'll show you how we get those sanded down to make this a nice, smooth drinking glass. Now what I do to get this nice and drinkable worthy is if you see how there's kind of some nicks and stuff taken out of it from the saw. So what I'll do is I'll take a Dremel tool and I'll just go along the edges, smoothing down the edges so that you don't have that sharp edge for when you're drinking. Now that those edges are nicely smoothed down, I'll do the same thing to the inside of the glass as well. And now once that's done and you have a nice smooth round, you can hit the edges, you're not going to cut yourself on them. What I'll do is I'll take a sanding sponge. This is a 320 grit sanding sponge, and just go around it to kind of soften everything up. And then finally what I'll do, I have a 400 grit sandpaper here. That's on a sponge that will just really clean up and make everything shine. And there you have it, guys, the finished product right there. You can see lovely smoothed out top. Takes a little bit of work, maybe a half hour or so per bottle. And then you see the other ones in the background there. So this one here, I actually dug with Brad. We were out in Cobalt together. So this one's for you, Brad. Next time I see you, that is going to you. And everyone can look forward to some awesome finds. All those ones in the back, we actually found those ones, and intact ones too. So catch you guys in the next video. Really hope this helped you guys out. Just a little thing of what I did to make these bottles. There are a ton of different methods, just this is the one I find works the best. I tried a bunch, and I finally made the video for everyone. So this is the method that I have that works the best. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps you guys out in your efforts on making glasses. And we'll see you guys in the next video. And if you guys like to, if you'd like to see how we get these nice and clean, I have a cleaning video that I will link in the top right or something. So go watch that to see how you get them nice and sparkling clean. So again, we'll see you guys in the next episode, and have a good one, guys. So guys, got Brad holding the camera for me because Jay's off digging out. But we finally got down. It's been about 2 hours clearing this out. We're pretty far down here, probably easily 10 feet, I would say. Oh, yeah. So I got my lantern going because I can't really see. I got like a stoneware thing in here, so we're gonna scoot you guys down here and show that, and hopefully it's something cool. So I'll catch you guys in the hole here.
Cool.
Awesome.